So you guys can see that we finally got a floor showing, being visible. So workspace will be kind of like this. We're adding a second toolbox to add all our odd and end tools on that side, all my current working tools. And you can see the 2 shelves that we made last night. Phenomenal, everything's going up. And then that big shelf on the top is where all my heavy stuff is gonna go. All the white, black, and yellow bins, all the stuff down there is gonna end up going there. All this stuff that's on this rack is gonna be organized and go up there. A lot of stuff we're gonna throw away. So I will be posting a lot of stuff for free. So if you guys are gonna be looking around, make sure to watch my Instagram and my Facebook, because I'm gonna be throwing away a lot of stuff. So you guys can get it. A lot of Volkswagen stuff is going to be leaving, so stay tuned for that. Again, I will be posting soon once I get to that point where what's going to be what. But you guys can see the actual workspace is going to be a functional workspace. I already got a 1.8T chill in there. The 2 VRs, we're going to bring them in. We're going to bring them over and get them on the stands inside. And then we're going to start working on those very soon. So if you guys are not Patreons, become a Patreon member, because becoming it show you guys how to build a VR6 from the bottom up. If not, it's okay. All the videos that we post for Patreons will end up becoming just normal YouTube videos after a week of them being up. Thank you everyone, and have a wonderful day. Peace out.